If gas prices have got you down, then this may be the video for you. I'm on gasbuddy.com. There's also an app that you can download and you can find cheap gas. And so I'm going to click on this Find Gas button right here, and I'm going to go by city, and I can see there's a bunch of American cities. I can even go into See All, and this will give me Canadian cities and provinces and United States cities and states. So for example, if I go to Florida, I'll click on Florida. Here are the cheapest gas prices in Florida. It gives me the city, gives me the actual location, and it gives me the gas price. You can also look by county over on the right-hand side. You can also look over in the major areas on the right-hand side. Most people just use the search feature. So I'm going to click on Find Gas at the top, and I'm going to click Search. And then you can search in your home city or wherever it is that you're visiting. So for example, I'm going to go to Toronto, Ontario. I'm going to go regular fuel type, and I'll click Find Gas. And here we can see good old Costco comes in as the cheapest. And there's some Essos and Petro-Canadas and Mobiles and so on. There's also a great map view as well. I'm going to click right here to view on a map. And then we can see right here, there's a map. Use the control and the scroll wheel to zoom in or to zoom out. So there is the greater Metro Toronto area right there. I'm going to scroll right in, and I'm going to click this redo search right over on the right-hand side. That'll reset all the different prices. So for example, if I'm traveling over to Mississauga, which is right next door, I can look at Mississauga prices. I can click redo search, and it will give me all the different gas prices that are listed around the Mississauga area. So just remember, if you're traveling around the country, and even if you're in rural areas, you can see what's available. Remember to click this redo search button on the right-hand side, and things will pop up. You may be pleasantly surprised at what's available in your area. I hope you found this quick video helpful. Gas Buddy's really cool. I use it a lot because nobody wants to pay more than they have to for gas, right? Here's another video where you can have some fun for free.